All yours, Ben.
You see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I basically took your release order and your bill of lading, converted it into PDF libraries that we support, and that's what I'm going to show you. So,
Okay.
so they're both attached to a shipping order that I put in the system and completed. So this is the packing slip or your release order. Okay, so we have the name and address, the contact information, the release, customer name, the details, pallets, drums, net weight, and then I think there's a second, yeah. And then we have bill of lading. With a carrier SCAC information, bill of lading number, shipper, consignee. Some of these fields we have to still define on the order header. I need some input from you to do it, but basically the format's there and the text is in place.
Okay. And where it says natural organics, that's where Borges' name is going to go, correct?
That's the logo. I mean, you control that on your order header. So if I go here and change the logo, that's what shows up there.
Got it. Perfect.
Okay, so if I go back and preview the bill of lading again, it's changed.
So we just need a Voorhees image. We just need to make one up, Cynthia, so you have Voorhees up there.
Okay, yeah, it looks, yeah, that's pretty much what we're asking for. It has all the information, the shipper, the delivery to confirm. Yeah, perfect. It has a PO, customer, date, ship date. Pretty much exactly what we know we're trying to do. We can there's an option also to add, say, customers, right? Like there's no limit to how many customers we can add into the system, correct?
Correct. Customers are added simply by going here to the orders page and adding a customer.
Okay.
And you can have hundreds of thousands of them.
Okay. And how about the invoice?
I didn't do anything with the invoice because I haven't, haven't seen anything with respect to the invoice. It's there.
But
no, can you show me how the invoice will be made?
Well, this is our stock invoice. So basically it goes off the order itself, the pricing that's on the order.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
you can, the logo would be your logo again. We just need to update the.
Okay, yeah, that's. And from here we can. Okay, so our weekly sales, can we transfer them to? We download them into an Excel sheet, or is that an option in the software, or no?
Everything can be downloaded to Excel. It's just a report export. We just need to know what fields you want. If you look at all our reports, there's an export feature right here. So basically what that does is it spits it out into Excel or CSV file, which is basically the same thing. So that's in my downloads folder. Where'd that go? There it is. I got a lot open on my machine. That's why it's taking so long. But you can see, I mean, the CSV file is right here. I'm just trying to open it in Excel. It's taking forever for some reason, but there's the information, the apple concentrate and all of that. It's just a comma delimited file that you can open in Excel.
Okay.
Looks like it's down there on the tray, but
There's a bunch of them. I've got a lot going on here today, right? So there's a close it. Try it again. Oh, there it is. Somewhere on the screen. There we go.
There you go.
So yeah, we can give you whatever you need. Just have
Okay.
to become a customer.
The billing seems pretty good. I'm going to show the Excel to my man. I'm pretty sure that he will, you know, then from there he will decide. He should have a logo sometime this week, the one that will
Okay.
be used for Voorhees, and then we'll go from there.
Sounds good.
perfect.
Could we talk about also some prices and, you know, like the whatever program we'll go with? It's either, I remember you mentioning something about it's either the one online that we could purchase, or the one that goes directly into your computer, correct?
Well, there's
The name that you mentioned for the cloud or something like that, I think you said.
well, this program that we're showing you is like internet-based. So you can either lease it from us, which means you pay by the month,
Okay.
or you buy it and then you put it on your own server, and then you just pay an annual maintenance fee after you buy it.
For how long will that annual maintenance fee be? Like as long as it doesn't end?
It's an annual fee, so you pay it once a year.
Okay, and what would the annual fee be?
Well, it's based on how many users you buy. We have a 3-user minimum. So
Okay,
if you bought a 3-user system, it'd be $3,000, and then the annual maintenance fee is $1,125.
1,125.
Right. Or if you wanted to just run it on the internet as a service, like rent the software from us, that would be $240 a month. And
Okay,
then there's no annual maintenance fee with that. That's just a monthly fee.
and what about first-time payment? Like that will just be our payment every month, and we don't have to do any first-time payment or anything like that?
Um, you know, right now I'm good with, we put a fair amount of work into making the bill of lading and that release document for you. Our normal hourly rate is $125 an hour. So if
Mm-hmm.
there's any more work, we'll bill you for that work. But
Okay.
otherwise, no. There's no extra.
Okay. Okay. Then I have here in my notes when you gave me the price, it was 3 users, $200 a month, and now
Okay.
you mentioning $240 a month for the 3 users.
Right. I mean, okay. A lot of times I'll discount it's $80 per concurrent user per month. So 3 times 80 is 240. A lot of times when I'm talking to people, I'll just say 200. So that's fine. We can do 200 a month.
Okay. Sounds good. 200 a month, and what includes it when we have like if we have any issue with the program? What's do we
That's that's
get?
in that's included in the $200 a month.
Okay, which it will be how many customer service I'll be in contact with you, let's say, through email. Is that how it works, or how does your
Yeah,
customer service?
email and telephone. Email and telephone.
Okay, perfect. About training. Just
Hopefully you don't need very much.
okay, but the one thing that I want to mention, we are going to have minimum of 3, and hopefully in the future we'll add a little more
Okay.
users. But we do we I mean the new people that are going to be hired to use this program, they probably will be needing some sort of training or some sort of run through the how the program works.
Usually what we do, Cynthia, though, is we train the trainer.
Okay.
So once you know how to use it, if you hire somebody new, you'll be able to show them how to do it.
Okay.
Um, so usually we just kind of train the trainer and then you take it from there.
Okay.
I mean, we can retrain somebody, after the fact, but uh, it's kind of, depending on how much training they need, we might bill for it, a few hours for it.
Mhm.
But
Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna give this I'm gonna run this to my manager, and he'll we'll go from there. Hopefully he'll have the logo sometime this week, and then we can finally
get it
um
going, right?
yeah, as soon as possible. So hopefully by Friday I'll have an answer for you, the latest. But
Okay.
I'll keep in contact with you as well.
Okay,
Is there
great.
a way to get up that I could have a copy of the bill of lading, so that way I could show
Yeah,
him?
sure. We can just save it to a PDF file and email it to.
Great, sounds great. Okay, and do I
You
have
can do
access?
you can do it actually.
That was my
If
next question. Do I have access to it, to the
right,
program?
I
Okay.
should have sent you. I'll send you another username and password.
Okay, sounds great.
Pretty sure I already sent it, so I'll just resend it to you.
Okay,
Okay.
so okay, great. So just to make sure, right? We have the cloud-based option, which will be $200 a month, and then we have the if we actually want to buy the software, would it be $3,000? And
Right.
every year we have to pay a maintenance fee of $1,125, correct?
Right.
Okay, perfect. And what does the maintenance fee include? The same thing like customer service and whatever issues that we have,
Right.
questions, concerns that we
Right.
have in the program. Okay, great. Sounds great.
Perfect.
Okay, I'll run this to my manager, and I'll be expecting your email anytime. Whenever you have the chance
Okay.
to.
I recorded this too, so I'll cancel the recording and upload it to YouTube, and you can rewatch it.
Okay, sounds great.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Benny.
Thank you.
Okay.